The 1954 Buick Skylark is one of the most elegant and prestigious American automobiles of the 1950s. Introduced as a premium luxury convertible, the Skylark represented Buick's commitment to combining advanced engineering, comfort, and distinctive styling. It was one of the most exclusive vehicles in Buick's lineup and remains highly respected among classic car collectors today. The 1954 model continued the legacy established by the original Skylark introduced in 1953. Built during the golden age of American automotive design, the car featured a unique blend of luxury and performance that helped it stand out from many competitors of its era. Under the hood, the 1954 Skylark was powered by Buick's 322 cubic-inch nailhead V8 engine, producing approximately 200 horsepower. This engine delivered smooth power and strong torque, making the Skylark a capable highway cruiser while maintaining the refined driving characteristics expected from a luxury automobile. One of the most notable aspects of the Skylark was its distinctive styling. The car featured graceful body lines, extensive chrome trim, and elegant proportions that reflected the optimism and innovation of the 1950s American automotive industry. Its design emphasized sophistication rather than aggression, giving it a timeless appearance that remains attractive decades later. The Skylark also showcased several advanced features for its time, including improved suspension systems, power-assisted components, and enhanced comfort features. These innovations helped position the car as one of Buick's flagship models and demonstrated the company's focus on modern automotive technology. Historically, the Buick Skylark played an important role in establishing Buick's reputation as a manufacturer of premium automobiles. It appealed to buyers who wanted luxury and style without stepping into the even more expensive Cadillac market. Because production numbers were relatively limited, surviving examples have become increasingly rare. The driving experience of the 1954 Skylark focuses on smoothness, comfort, and effortless cruising. Its powerful V8 engine and refined suspension made it well-suited for long-distance travel, which was becoming increasingly popular during America's post-war economic expansion. Fuel economy was modest by modern standards, typically ranging between 10 and 15 miles per gallon, depending on driving conditions and maintenance. Today, the 1954 Buick Skylark is considered a highly collectible classic American automobile. Well-preserved and professionally restored examples often command significant prices at auctions due to their rarity, historical importance, and beautiful styling. Overall, the 1954 Buick Skylark stands as a symbol of 1950s American luxury and craftsmanship, representing an era when automobiles were designed not only for transportation but also as expressions of style, prestige, and innovation. The Skylark remains one of Buick's most celebrated classic models, admired for its combination of exclusivity, engineering excellence, and timeless design. More than 70 years after its introduction, it continues to be a standout example of America's golden age of automotive manufacturing.